Hi, readers. So here I am at my friend's house. I'm going to read chapter 4. I went to visit my Papa Fritos, my students. By the way, I live 50 miles from the school where I taught for 22 years. So I was driving 100 miles round trip every day while I taught for 22 years because it was worth it to me to teach in this particular school with the dual language and wonderful, wonderful kids and families and my friends, my colleagues. So anyway, yeah, I got kicked out of school yesterday by the principal. This is not a principal I ever taught with, so yeah, I came to the school like once a year to visit, and there's less than a month left of school. I came with an hour left in the school day, and she said I was interrupting classes. And she said I could stay for 15 minutes, but I had to get a tag, an ID tag. And so I went into the office, but the machine was broke. And by the time they got it, or they needed to fill it with paper. And by the time they filled it with paper, my 15 minutes was up, and she threw me out, said, "Get out. You have to leave now." So, yeah, my question is this what you all want? Parents, students, administrators out in the world, do you want teachers who teach in your school once they retire? Don't you want them to still feel like family? Don't you want them to she told me that I was interrupting classes, and I said there's different types of education, and this one is kids learning and understanding that their teachers actually do love them and care about them, and they always will. It goes beyond the school walls. But so I guess this particular person does not want that. So remember, if you are in a leadership position or someday become a leader, good leaders want to make things better. And bad leaders just want to be in control. So remember that.